Well, this is the Sonnet Concord Shape gravy jug or boat and saucer in absolutely fine mint condition. Royal Doulton, as you can see there, Sonnet H5012. Copyright marks. This one's just been washed, so a few little drops of water still on it. Front and rear panel decoration in the Sonnet design. Gilt around the upper rim, as you can see, all in very fine good condition. Lip of the spout, again, very good and clean. And the saucer plate, classic design with the Sonnet arches in this olivey green pastel colour. Central well matching Sonnet H5012 marks. A nice rare set. We've got a couple of the gravy saucers for sale on their own if you've broken your saucer and not the jug, but it's usually the other way around. So that's probably why we've got two additional saucers in this design on catalogue and not two additional gravy boats. But anyway, this is the full set, gravy boat and saucer set, available from the Vintage Farmhouse Antiques website, and we'll pop a link if we're able to in the description below in YouTube, taking you directly through to our listing. All the measurements, sizes and the all important price are on the website listing. Thanks for watching.